Well, my wife got something for her birthday. It's called an air fryer. This is by Emeril Lagasse. You know, the guy on TV, the cooker that says, BAM! I like that. Well, you can see what it is. Shows all kinds of stuff you can cook here. There you go. Now we'll open it up. See what all it looks like. See if I can get it out of here. Comes with an instruction book. Shows you how to use it. I think I'm probably going to need that. So, of course, my wife may not. She's a pretty good cook. There you go. Air fryer. Right there. All this comes off and comes out. Plug it in. You got your instructions on how to use it down here. There's where you push your buttons and all. So we'll get this going here in a little while and cook something and see how it does. Well, here we are. We've got it set up. We've already wiped it down like it said in the instructions. Now we're going to turn it on and do an initial burn-in, which melts off any of the oils or whatever's on it. So be sure that you've wiped everything down. We've already done that. And see it click? That means you're ready to go. Turn the power on, right there. Comes on to 370, okay? There's your plus minus. There's your plus minus temperature. We're going to lower the time 1 minute at a time there on the minus to 3 minutes. How about 4 minutes? And we'll let it go and let it cook. That way it'll burn everything off. There, it's heating up. Okay, we did speed things up a little bit here so it won't take quite so long, but it's preheating and doing the burn off and getting it going. Alright, there's your bell telling you it's done and ready to go. Now you want to wipe it down a little bit like you did before you cooked it. Make sure you got everything off of it. We'll do that and we'll show you how to cook something. Alright, we're going to cook a few French fries here. Not going to cook very many because there's only me here right now. So let's put it back in. Be sure it clicks good so it'll be ready. There you go. Alright. It says turn it on and preheat for like 3 minutes. Alright. There it goes. It's preheating. Says if you press that on-off button the second time, it'll start your cooking. Press it a third time and it shuts it off. Okay, the preheating is done. So we'll turn the power on. Where's your preheat buttons? Preset buttons. It says 400 degrees for the fries for 18 minutes. So let's increase that to 18 minutes and we'll let it go. Some things you need to shake because you got a lot of them in there. Pull it out, it'll stop cooking. Shake them, put it back in, it continues cooking. I think for the few fries we're cooking, we may not need to go the whole time, so we'll shut it off here. It's my first time with this, so we're still learning. Okay, there's my fries. Look like I might have cooked them just a hair too long, but we're learning. Be careful, they're hot. See it? Looks good and crispy. Alright, presets. Your presets, push that in. There's fries, there's roast, shrimp, bake, chicken, steak, and fish. There's your preset buttons. Alright, let's sample what we cooked. So we cooked some french fries. Get a little ketchup out here. There we go. They might have been cooked just a little bit too long, but we'll try them anyway, see how they are. Good and crispy. Pretty good. No grease either. So now you see how the air fryer works. We'll show you some of the presets on it too. So this is a lot healthier way to cook. You're not dipping it in hot grease and eating all the cholesterol. But anyway, that's how it's done. We'll get some more up here as soon as we get everything going. We'll see you next time.